Does your dog appear to lack enthusiasm for training? In this webinar, we look at 4 groups of dogs who can appear unenthusiastic about training. We look at low energy dogs, low drive dogs, dogs that display generalized unenthusiasm, and dogs whose lack of enthusiasm is related to the environment or the training itself. We also talk about genetics, arousal, and emotion, and how these can influence enthusiasm for work. Most importantly, we discuss a wide range of strategies that can improve your dog's enthusiasm for training and ways we can put the joy back into training for you and your dog. Join me for this FDSA webinar, working with dogs that lack enthusiasm. There's a live Q&A after the presentation, so get your questions ready. See you there.